Good morning. Mike Prosser here with Prosser's Premium RV Outlet. Today we're featuring the brand new 2020 model L by Lite. Isn't this a beautiful and gorgeous trailer? Outside kitchen, 2 entry doors, huge awning. Wait till you see the interior. Is this cool or what? This is all storage here. All storage all the way around. Nice big and deep slide out. Light and airy in here. TV, fireplace, residential style refrigerator. Look at that galley. I don't know about you, but this reminds me of a high-end hotel room in Vegas. Nice long hall. Bathroom. Here's one of the things that wife likes here. Look at that mirror. Nice big shower with skylight. Linen closet, glower, fan, and master bedroom. We've got a true king bed. You can go to Target or Bed Bath & Beyond and get sheets for this king bed. It's not just a little RV king. Rest of the bedroom here, more storage in the bedroom. Nice and airy. Got privacy in all the windows, so when we shut it all down at night, it's nice and quiet, comfortable. So again, this is the Lite. It's a 2020 model. It's brand new. It just came out with it. This is our first one. It's called the Model L. It's available at Prosser's Premium RV Outlet. That's prosserrv.com. Comes with our lifetime warranty. Annual inspections are required, for which you pay. As long as you keep up with your annual inspections, then the major components of the trailer, heating system, cooling system, water system, propane system, and suspension and jacks are covered with no deductible for parts or labor. So thanks for checking it out. Again, brand new 2020 Lite Model L.